Hello, Bronwyn Lund from BronHolm Tours here. I'm in Poland. I'm in a town called Kolobrzeg, and I'm just going to take you for a walk through the wonderful parks that are a part of this town. So I hope you enjoy the tour. We're going to walk from the port through the forests back up into the town. And that's actually one of the things that has really surprised me about this town, is that there are these wonderful forests all the way through the town. We're just about to walk behind a monument that symbolises Poland's marriage to the sea. Throughout various wars, there's been times when Poland has been annexed or occupied and has not had access to the sea. And the memorial behind us represents the reunification of Poland with its coast again after it has gained independence from whoever has been occupying the country. And there's more information in the Kolobrzeg beach walking tour. So keep an eye out for that if you'd like to have a little bit more information about that monument. walking through the park areas back into the centre of town. And the centre of town also has a wonderful series of parks and really well kept flower beds, and it's very neat and tidy town, very safe and very clean, and the food is actually really delicious. We've had some really good meals here, so it's certainly a place worth visiting. I'm just going to turn right up here because I want to walk past these sculptures of fish, and they have signs below them in Polish that are describing the fish, and they're the fish that are caught here in the seas, in the Baltic Sea. So they're also fish that we see quite commonly on BronHolm. I love seafood, I love fish, so I find this is quite an interesting thing to make sculptures about. So the walk from the port up into the town is actually very pleasant. And over here to the left, as we're walking by, is a Treetop obstacle course. And that's the other thing about this town that I've discovered since arriving here, is that there is just so many activities, so much going on and different things to do. There's just something for everyone in this town, and It's just, I'm actually really surprised. I really did not know what to expect. I've never been to Poland before, and we've talked about doing this trip for about 4 years since we first moved back to Bornholm, and I really didn't know what to expect of this town, Kolobrzeg, on the coast of Poland. But I've just been really constantly surprised at how lovely it is, how many green areas there are, how much stuff there is for the kids to do, but also for the adults. We're 3 generations on this trip, grandparents, parents and our children, and yeah, everyone's having a really great time because there's just things of interest for the whole family. So it's great. Really recommend it. Just up here to the left is a funny chair, and then it sort of turns into a bit of grim post-war development, so I'll switch the camera off and end the tour at this point. But that just gives you a taste of how the town is surrounded by these wonderful parks and also some quite quirky sculptures. I'm just going to turn into the left here. So that was a walking tour of the park between Kolobrzeg Port and Kolobrzeg Central Town. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is Bronwyn Lund from BronHolm Tours signing off. Bye for now.